Hey guys, happy Friday. Today we're going to extend our knowledge of multiplying decimals, and we're going to show how to multiply a decimal by a decimal using an area model. There was a Learn Zillion video today, so please make sure you view that video before you view this one so you have a great background knowledge for what we're going to look at in this video. So I'm going to start by doing an example where I'm given two decimals multiplied by each other, and I'm going to show them on this model here. These are the decimal hundred squares that are on Google Classroom. If you're able to print them, wonderful. If not, you don't need them. You can do it on your Google Classroom assignment. It's just a great visual. So we have the problem here of 2/10 times 5/10. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is take the first decimal and show it vertically up and down on my 100 grid here, my decimal square. So I'm going to take my yellow highlighter and I'm going to show 2/10, which is two columns here, okay, because this is 1/10 and 2/10. Okay, I'm going to label 2/10. Okay, and now you're going to show 5/10 horizontally, either starting from the top or starting from the bottom. Either way, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so now I'm going to take my blue, and I like to use highlighters because they change the colors, and I'm able to see the answer very easily. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to box. This is something I always do when I'm coloring. Box my answer and then fill in. Fill in the whole box. And the great thing about the highlighters is you're able to see that the overlapping part has changed to green. Okay, so what this model is showing right now is 2/10 of 5/10, which is your answer. Okay, so here is my 5/10 shown here. 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, all the blue area. And where your two shadings overlap is your answer. Okay, so it just so happens to be this green part here. And what I like to do to find my answer is count in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 out of 100. 10 hundredths, okay, is your answer, which is the same thing as 1/10. Okay, the overlapping, okay, boxes are your answer. Okay, let's look at another one here. We have 3/10 times 7/10. Okay, so vertically I'm going to show 3/10. And like I said, I like to box in 3/10, which is 3 columns here, and then shade in. I like to take my time with this because if not, I could maybe see what I'm trying, the overlapping parts. And then horizontally, either starting from the top or bottom, I'm going to show 7/10. Okay, I'm going to change my highlighter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that means I know that I'm going to box in this part here. And then take a minute to shade in that 7/10. It's definitely a bigger area. Okay. And once again, when you're done shading, the part that is overlapping is your answer. Okay, so I see, and I can count again if you like, if this helps you keep track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 out of 100, or 21 hundredths. All right, and the last one we're going to look at here is when you're given a model that's already shaded in, can you write the multiplication expression that it is showing? Okay, so we can see that I once again use my yellow and my blue, so my green is the answer. So let's first see how many yellow tenths there are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 4 tenths times, and now let's count the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tenths, okay. And then remember, our green, is our answer. So we can count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And remember, you don't have to write them in the box, but it's a great way to keep track of your counting. And 20 hundredths is my answer. Thank you for watching this video. Today we learned how to multiply a decimal by a decimal using models. Have a great weekend.